Hi friends, are you designing your interiors on your own without taking any expert advice? Doing things on your own might be fun and create a sense of belongingness, but it might not give end results that you are desiring for. This might happen because of few common technical mistakes that you are prone to do as a non-technical person in this field. But don't worry, I'm here to caution you with mistake alerts today, coming right up. Hey, I'm Architect-Nilesh, having an experience in the field of architecture and interior designing for 25 plus years. If you truly want to understand the field of architecture and interior design and want to know how it really works on site, then subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss anything. Spoiling up the interiors a bit is normal for the people who don't do it daily, and it is okay to make mistake. But what is not okay is to not know that you have done a mistake. So it's okay if you have made mistakes while designing your interiors, because today I have come up with a few mistake alerts and their simple secret solutions to fix the 7 common mistakes that people make while doing the interiors due to lack of technical knowledge. So without wasting time, let's dive in. Mistake alert number 1. Not considering the design style and your requirements. It might happen that you feel the deco pieces that you have picked and the furniture and color scheme of that space seem to be a mismatch or do not cater to your requirement at all. It is because you might have not considered the design style of your space or the requirement that you have before buying it. This happened because you might have liked the standalone piece in the showroom because the showroom had the decor to absorb the piece, but your space has a different design style. The secret solution for this mistake is you may pick a few items, but one at a time, and consider the requirements that you have. Pick an item that caters to your needs first and serves as a decor piece later. Considering your needs will give your space and decor better functionality. After taking your needs in consideration, choose an item that goes with your design style. This way, you can achieve a cohesive look as well as good amount of functionality in your decor. Remember, a good design is not just about trendy spaces. It is a lot more about your requirement and design style put together beautifully. Mistake alert number 2. Not considering the scale and proportion. Does your furniture look too huge and makes a space look cluttered and small? It is because you might have ignored the scale and proportion factor of your space in relation with the piece while picking it. This happened because the scale of the furniture looked perfect in the double-heighted and spacious showroom. The secret solution to solve this problem is measure your spaces. Do not skip this step as it will give you clarity on how much space you actually have. Measure the heights, the widths of your space and then the furniture pieces before buying it, as it will give you a clear idea of how much space you have for circulation. This will let you choose home decor in absolute appropriate proportion, thus avoiding overcrowding or underfurnishing of the space. Mistake alert number 3. Exposed cables. All things done, but the cables hanging loose might make it look shabby. However, the wiring is an unavoidable aspect of any interior work. This happens due to lack of vision of your future requirements that you expect from your interiors, and thus the switch layout doesn't cater to revised furniture layout. The secret solution for this is not eliminating the wiring but hiding it smartly. You may plan your electrical fittings and fixtures prior to starting the work and let all the wiring run through the ceiling or the floor. But in many cases, when the house is totally done, it is difficult to undo and redo the ceiling or the floor. In such cases, the wires can be hidden by choosing furniture that hides the wire behind it, or by simply using the core hider or paneling to avoid exposed loose wires. And the easiest way to do it is use a spike guard where you will have to hide only single wire. The hanging wires of appliances like mobile chargers, TV, music system, printers, or laptop chargers kills the whole look and feel of the space by making it untidy. Mistake alert number 4. Having a single light source. Does your house look dull and it's difficult for the light to reach in certain areas? It might be bad lighting. This is because you might have put on only a single lighting source in your space. The secret solution to fix this is layered lighting. Putting a single light source in your space might cater to you by allowing vision in darkness, but it won't help enhance your interiors at all. Lighting design is an integral part of the interiors and should be done thoughtfully. Layered lighting helps enhance the decor, highlight the depth, and makes the colors ooze out along with focusing on the art pieces. You can easily fix this mistake by simply adding ambient, accent, and task light to your space. To know more about lighting design, watch my video on lighting design on my YouTube channel, Architect-Nilesh. Mistake alert number 5. 4 S's of the rugs. You might want to elevate your space by adding rugs to it, but are your rugs not giving the effect? It's because you might have not considered the 4 S's of rugs. The secret solution is to choose the right size, style, scheme, and shape of the rug. You should choose a rug that fits your furniture on it. Rugs define the boundary of your furniture setup and the space or the area around it. So remember to consider the size of your furniture and the spacing between them while buying a rug. Your furniture should sit on the rug and not beside the rug. If not the whole furniture, try to fit at least the front legs of your furniture on your rug. Once you decide the size, do not forget to choose the rug that goes with the style of your interiors. For example, a Kashmiri Pashmina classical rug is for classical interiors and not for the modern minimalistic interiors. Your cool color rug won't blend and will kill the warm color scheme of the space. So consider the scheme of colors of your space while choosing the color of the rug. After choosing the rest of the 3 S's appropriately, do not choose an out of the space shaped rug like amoeboidal or animal skin shaped or patterned one, as it will kill the entire decor of your metropolitan house. Considering this will give your space a cohesive look and elevate the feel of it. Mistake alert number 6. 3 P's of the artwork. Have you put an artwork in your space to create a focal point, but it is killing the whole vibe of entire space? It is because you might have not considered the 3 P's, that is position, pattern, and perspective. Do you have to look too up or bend your neck down to look at the art piece hung on your wall? Or you find the wall art totally out of space? It is because ignorance towards 3 P's. The secret solution to fix this is to check on the 3 P's. Number 1, proper positioning of the artwork. All the wall art should be hung in a way that its horizontal and vertical center is at the eye level. For example, if it's a terrace where everybody is standing, there the center should be normally at 5 feet 6 inches, while the center of that in a living room should be at approximately 3 feet 6 inches. You can make a mock using a paper and tape it to various places and explore the options of placement first. In case of a cluster of frames, try to make a composition by arranging the artworks in various sizes and orientation, all in a way that the center of the composition is at the eye level. This exercise will help you achieve perfect level for hanging your artwork with no unwanted drilling all over the place. P number 2, the pattern of the artwork. It should be considered while placing it in a space. An organic shaped artwork might break the discipline of the modern geometric decor, or a brass piece kept hanging in the middle of the minimalistic decor home will break the entire design. P number 3 is perspective. Any focal point should create a perspective in that space, so the placement of the artwork should normally be done at the center of the wall to create a better perspective and sense of depth in the room. Mistake alert number 7, drapery fittings. Are your curtains too expensive and yet don't give an elegant look to your space? It might be because of its placement and sizes. As an architect, I would suggest you to avoid any drapery fitting to be visible directly. You may hide it smartly inside the ceiling. But at places where you cannot, strategical placement may help maintaining the look and feel of the space. The secret solution to fix this is fixing the curtain holders near to the ceiling and not near the window frames. This will give a sense of height and spaciousness along with the elegance. Besides its placement, the curtain rod should be wider than the window frame so that when you open the curtains, they should rest in such a way that they cover only the window frame and not the glass. This will let more light and air travel in without any barrier. Along with the placement and size of the curtain holder, the curtains itself should have a width that is 3 times wider than the windows, so that even when drawn in full width, it will give a perfect look to your space. Now, after knowing these secret solutions, I hope you are alert about the mistakes that you are prone to make while doing your interior by yourself. If you have made any other mistake and want a secret solution for it, then let me know in the comment box and I'll try to fix it in the best possible way. If you have any queries regarding this video or want me to make a video on the topic of your suggestion concerned to interior designing, let me know in the comment section and I will try to solve your doubts in the best possible way. If you enjoyed this video, then see similar videos on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Happy alert designing.
तू ही माझी मंजिल.
हाय.
ओके चेक.
आमचा सोमवारी थंबनेल असतो, वेनसडेला प्रोमो असतो आणि फ्रायडेला बुमरँग आणि व्हिडिओ असतो.
तू काय केलं? तू एवढे फोटोज काढले.
फोटोज आहेत.
मम्मी, मावशी, काकी, मामी, आत्या, केवढे फोन करतात तुला?
आणि मध्ये मध्ये पालक आणि कल्पना.